Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAN185. If you're getting this error when trying to launch Valorant, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few things you can try, so let's get straight into it. First, let's check the Valorant compatibility settings. Open Windows Search and type Valorant. Right-click the application and select Open File Location. Now, right-click the Valorant shortcut, choose Show More Options, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable Run this program in compatibility mode, select the recommended Windows version, and also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then, enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now launch Valorant and check whether error 185 has been resolved. If you're still getting the error, let's check the Riot Vanguard service. Open Windows Search and type Services. Open the Services application. Scroll through the list and find VGC. Right-click it and select Properties. Look for Startup Type and change it to Automatic. Then click Start if the service isn't already running. Click Apply, then click OK and close the services window. Now try launching Valorant again. Still not working? Let's reset your network settings. Open Windows Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, enter ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter and wait for the confirmation message. Next, enter netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. These commands clear your DNS cache and reset the Windows Network socket configuration, which can help if the error is related to a network configuration problem. Once that's finished, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, open the Riot client and launch Valorant. So, to quickly recap, check the Valorant compatibility settings, make sure the VGC service is running automatically, and finally, reset your network using the two command prompt commands. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets rid of Valorant Error 185 for you. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.